You think you know your solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth? Wrong. For decades, the most powerful governments on Earth have been hiding the truth of what lies beyond Neptune. This isn't science fiction. We're talking about gravitational evidence so strong it proves an object is out there, a 10th planet. So massive, it's tugging the entire outer solar system off kilter. We dive into the evidence, the cover-ups, and the 4 terrifying reasons they don't want you to know the name of the 10th planet. The mysterious clumpings start with the anomaly. Out past Neptune is the Kuiper Belt, an icy junkyard of small objects. They should be orbiting randomly, scattered equally around the sun. But they aren't. The data shows their paths are all mysteriously tilted and clumped together in space. It's like someone grabbed a handful of marbles and tossed them into a bucket, but a giant, invisible hand keeps them all glued to one side. This isn't just a coincidence. Scientists believe that the orbit of the 10th planet is so massive and so elongated that it's acting like a giant, slow-moving hand, whip-cracking all the small objects in the Kuiper Belt. These small, icy rocks aren't attracted to the sun. They're being magnetized by this invisible giant. The fact that all these objects share the exact same impossible orbital characteristics is the final, undisputed proof that a massive, undiscovered gravitational force is controlling the outer edge of our solar system. This isn't a theory anymore. This is just physics. The great tilt clue number 2 is even bigger. All the planets, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, they all orbit on a near-perfect flat disk called the ecliptic. But watch this. Zoom out, and the entire ecliptic plane is slightly tilted relative to the sun. This isn't just about a few rocks. This is about the entire solar system behaving like a wonky gyroscope. The consensus? A massive, distant object is tilting the entire solar system. We're talking about something huge, far away, and constantly pulling on the very foundation of our planetary home. But here's the mind-bending question. This tilt, the one caused by the 10th planet, may have already changed the history of our world. This subtle gravitational push could slowly but surely shift the angle of Earth itself over millions of years. We're talking about a planet that, while far away, has the power to re-engineer our entire planetary system. It's the ultimate cosmic bully, and it's pulling the strings from the shadows. The orbit predictions, the smoking gun. Scientists Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown didn't just guess about this planet. They used pure mathematics to build its profile. They created a computer simulation that perfectly predicted its size. 5 Earth masses. Its orbit, 500 to 1,000 times further than Earth from the sun. Its speed. It takes 15,000 years to orbit the sun. The math is solid, but the search is almost impossible. Why? Because Planet 9 is currently theorized to be at its most distant point in its 15,000-year orbit. Huge sky surveys, like the Pan-STARRS telescope, have searched this part of the sky and come up empty. The planet is moving so incredibly slowly and is so faint that it needs multiple perfect photos taken over a period of years to show any movement. They know where it is, but the odds of catching it are like trying to film a single black ant crossing a football field at midnight. The deep freeze and the alien angle. The planet is hiding in the deep freeze. It is so far away that sunlight is 100,000 times dimmer than it is on Earth. It's too faint and too cold to see with conventional methods. Now for the true Zaptoon level speculation. If Planet 9 is 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, it's large enough to have retained a massive core of heat. This heat could warm a subsurface ocean beneath a thick layer of ice. This means that a planet we can barely see at the edge of the solar system could potentially support subsurface life. Forget aliens visiting us. We have an alien ocean right here in our own backyard. The final piece of the mystery is, why the silence? The announcement of a new planet is the single biggest scientific headline of the century. The only logical answer is that the major space powers are not just looking for a rock, they're looking for the data that comes with it. So, there it is. The 10th planet is out there. It's huge, it's tilting our system, and it was found using nothing but simple gravity and mathematics. What did you think of the evidence? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to know about the 5 historical lies you still believe, click on this video right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zaptoon deep dives into the unknown.